Okay, so I'm kind of going off the directions a little bit, but obviously I'm going to have to redo my style line. When I'm looking at the instructions, it does mark at the waist that it's half the distance. So it did leave a point of where my dart was. So if I just put another point here, then I kind of know where to draw my style line. So I'm in the letter Z tool. If I right click it, I should be able to split it. And you have some options. So I can do math and figure it out, or I can just say uniform split, break it up into 2 segments. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so now I just have that. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab that internal line I started to draw. I'm going to scooch it over here. Do I want to, let's see here, reshape it? Yeah, it's probably a little bit too curved. So let's go ahead and play with maybe my edit curvature tool. Let's see if we can get this guy a little bit straighter. I think I like that. Do I want it more curved at the top? Let's see. There's a curve point here. Ooh. Let's see here. Maybe I'll add a curve there. Oh dear. I added that curve. So I'm going to go back to the top one and see if it will let me kind of just pull it out. Maybe what I'll do before I do too much is I'll put in another curve right there, and then that one should let me kind of control this top one a little bit more. I need to zoom in. This is too far. There we go. I like that better. I don't think I need this last curve. So let's see, I'll hit the letter Z. Oh, okay, it's fine, it's gone. Okay, there we go. So my internal line is selected. It's on both because my pattern is symmetrical. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. So to cut it, you probably need to make sure that your internal line actually extends all the way to your pattern. So I'm just in the habit of always clicking to extend, trim, and add point to pattern outline. Sometimes it's already there automatically, but I just kind of do that a lot. And then I'll say, yeah, I think I'll say cut and sew. Yeah, because it'll get sewn back together. Okay, so now I want to merge these 2 pieces together. Well, I guess that's the next step. Maybe I'll wait a minute. Why don't I go ahead and add my style line on my back piece as well? So I'll pan over there. Okay, let's see here. Let's go ahead and grab our internal line. Keyboard shortcuts, the letter G. Click 1 time. I'm going to go ahead and hold Command for a slight curve. Come back down. Click. Okay. Oh, I should have double clicked. I'll hit return. Okay. Let's see here. Maybe I'll play with the curvature again just to get it a little bit more to my liking. There we go. That's good. I like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit the letter Z, select it. I'm gonna right click, extend, trim, add point, and then I will also go ahead and cut and sew it. Okay, cool. There we go. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what's next. I'm gonna go ahead. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, so now we'll just go ahead and cut it and paste it, which I believe I already did. So I'll just go ahead and move on to the next set of instructions. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and merge the front side panel. They kind of clean up the dart just to make sure it's not on the actual bust point. And then they merge the 2 panels together. And then that's it. And then they go ahead and they sew it up. So let's see if we can do that. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to pan. Okay, so they start by selecting this and hold shift. And we're going to right click and merge. Okay. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, I wonder if these are the same length. Hopefully, yes, they are. Oops, you know what? Okay, I need to get rid of this point. So I can hit the letter X. Oh, that didn't do it. Let me try Z. There we are. So with a Z, click it, and I can say delete. Now I can select that line. Now, it did kind of change my line. If that bothers you, I'm hitting edit undo a couple times. You can always right click and convert it to a curve point. I just don't think I want a curve, so that's why I actually deleted it. I didn't think it changed it that much. But let's see if it's going to give me trouble to merge if it's a curve or not. Let's find out. Nope, it's still letting me merge. Okay. Okay, cool. So now this is a pattern piece. I'm going to go ahead and hit the letter A. I'm going to select it. I'm going to kind of scoot it in the middle. We might have to do it on the other side. Oh no, it totally did it for us. That's awesome. Great. Okay, let's see here. Now, what about our grain line? We didn't really keep track of that. If you do want to go in and fix your grain line, it's going to be this tool over here on the right. This is where it is right now. I think I'm actually okay with that. I know usually this line's kind of cut at a slant, so I'm just going to leave it for right now. I don't think it'll be too big of a deal. Okay, zoom out. Oh, so now I just need to close my little mini dart I have here. So I will do that with my sewing tools. Oh, look, it actually is already sewn together because it was a dart. So I don't think I have to do anything. Okay, should I just hit simulate and see if it's going to work? Let's find out. I just hit the space bar. Are we going to get this design? And then you know what, to see it, oh, the where's right side's okay. I don't know why the where left is a little slow. I think it'll figure itself out. But I'm going to hit pause real quick. To see it a little bit better, we can change the colors to default and just random colors. Sometimes that helps us just see our style lines a little bit better. Here we go. Okay, just that one side's kind of figuring itself out. I think it will get there in a minute. So I mean, we could probably delete the sleeves too if we're really trying to match the CAD, but anyways, there you go. We just changed that pattern so it matches the CAD. Now let's see if you guys can figure out how to do it for, where is it? Let me show you. One of these guys here. So give it a shot. Let me know how it goes. If you guys can figure it out, I'm going to go ahead and make a couple videos too, just in case you are stuck and want to know the answer. All right. That's the end of this video.